This has an M12 battery on it. And what's unique about this is that this thing actually has where you can see the voltage and everything on the battery. So this has some protections built into it. And that's what I'd recommend you do if you are going to modify your car. Whenever they install these factory, inside here has more protection than just straight voltage. All right, first thing we want to do with this is very important. You want to find something that actually advertises the 12 volts. So this says 12.8 volts. That's how I knew that we would be safe to do this. There's a lot of them nowadays, even with this company, that just have a USB charger. And I don't know what the voltage is. So my recommendation would be, if you are going to do this, make sure you know what the voltage is before you buy it. And yeah, let's get started. I already did it to that one, so I more or less know what to do, but the same rules would apply. If you want to know how we figured everything out, you could go back and watch the other original video. But in short, all right, let's remember this, okay? When we are upside down, we want to have the gray brown, the gray white, the gray gray, and the red gray. So brown, gray white, gray, red. And we're actually going to write that down this time. Looks like it's 2 pins. And there's our positive and our negative right there. Looks like that's negative, and then I see positive right there. So that's what we're going to solder to. And what are we using? We're actually going to be using MAKITA, because we had an unfortunate incident where a MAKITA got cut in half somehow on the live stream. And yeah, we've got the perfect access for what we need. So we're going to just clean this up a little bit. And we ended up with, I don't know, 12. We got like 12 volt batteries around here somewhere. There we go. There's a bunch of them right there. The voltage and everything is displayed on the tool of Milwaukee and not on the battery. I'm thinking the protection's in the tool here. And then you would think the protection would be here. Either way, we can check the state of charge very easily so we don't over discharge these batteries. So right off the hot, we're going to want to come off with the fuse. I think we will get this lithium-ion battery away from all the heat sources. You can see we're applying the solder to the back side, not directly on the actual soldering tool, but on the wire. And that is the proper way to apply solder, not just kind of painting it on there. You'll see people paint it on there, but that is not the correct way to solder. So we're going to get this whole wire hot, and then this solder should flow on the wire once it gets up to temperature. We're going to cut that flush. Get it good. All right, that's one there. Solder quicker, smaller wire. All we got to do now is just make a little hole right there. Right through the center console. No, there's a wire there. Right here. All right, now we need to figure out what's going on with this. Just spontaneously combusted one day. All right, so all we need is these two wires in like this half of the bottom of this drill. So yeah, the other one works so well because we haven't even charged it yet since Christmas. This is the best way to do it, if you ask me, especially when you have multiple batteries like we do. I can see it changing color. It just does not want to get hot. Now for this side, slide that over there. Almost done here. Getting very close. We just got to cut this MAKITA in half again. And ram this part through the hole we just cut. That's what electrician's tape is for. Man, that's a lot of material. It takes a minute for it to heat up. There we go. Gray white. Gray white. And we didn't lose any screws. What the heck is going on? This one's not as fast. We'll see it.